as far as geography goes on affecting these populations, I kind of talked about how a lot of the times we see that they'll isolate themselves in mountain communities or far ways out to avoid that stigma and that negative connotation of their groups. Here in the photo that I have is an outlined area of an actual polygamy population in what they've called Colorado City, which is near the Utah-Arizona border. So within that city is where they live, which is actually where Warren Jeffs was previously residing before his arrest. So kind of an interesting fact. Bias, which I've talked a lot about, can be separated in two different sections, the implicit bias and explicit bias. So implicit bias is what we think internally in our own developed views that we have of something. So I feel like internal bias, when we look at polygamy, we think about our own religious views and how where there's a straying far requiring the multiple wives for a man and how marriages affects that. And then also our own views on marriage within our own lives might affect how we view their occurrence of multiple wives. As far as explicit bias, kind of what I've talked about is a lot of what we see on the media and a lot of what we see on the news, which is sexual predators being arrested and coming out of these populations for abuse of their own children, abuse of other children in the groups, taking the abuse that they have of being a religious leader and taking advantage of that in a negative way with sexual or physical or verbal abuse of children and women. And we also see the high occurrence in America of underage women in these populations. And we kind of form our bias and our views on that and what we see there. So here are my references. You guys can go through. If you guys are interested about this, you can just shoot me a message. I talked to a couple of people that have been living with inside a polygamous group. So kind of some information that I didn't really want to share publicly about them. But if anyone's interested, go ahead and reach out to me. Thank you.